Before we start, I want to show you something amazing. There's a TikTok channel called the Nebelschaf Art, and it's one of the most adorable pages I've ever seen. This channel is based entirely on cute animal content, and right now it has more than 424,000 followers and over 12 million likes. That's incredible, right? People of all ages, especially kids and young viewers, love watching these videos because they feature tiny, adorable animals with big, sparkling eyes, doing the cutest little things like walking, eating, or talking. It's pure happiness in video form. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make videos like this using completely free AI tools. No subscriptions, no paid credits, nothing. We'll create both images and videos, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make your very own cute AI character videos, just like the Nebelschaf channel. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Boom! Let's go! Step 1. Create prompts. Using ChatGPT first, we need some creative ideas and prompts to generate our animal images and videos. For that, we'll use ChatGPT. Here's what you'll do. Go to TikTok and open the Nebelschaf Art channel. Take a screenshot of the channel page. Then come back to ChatGPT and upload that screenshot. Copy the link to the TikTok channel as well. Now, ask ChatGPT something like this. I've uploaded a screenshot and link of a TikTok channel. Please analyze it and give me the top 10 image prompts and motion prompts for creating similar cute animal videos. ChatGPT will analyze the style, the color tones, the expressions, and the vibe, and then it will generate 10 creative image prompts that look similar to Nebelschaf's content. Once you get those, say, please give me 10 more cute animal prompts. Now you'll have a total of 20 different prompts, enough to make a full set of animal characters. Finally, ask, please give me full HD motion prompts for creating cute animal videos. This time, ChatGPT will generate prompts that are designed for video generation, including movement, actions, and camera angles. Save all of these prompts carefully because we'll use them to generate both images and videos in the next steps. Step 2. Open the AI tool, Higsfield AI. Now it's time to reveal the most powerful part, the AI platform we'll use to generate everything. The website is called Higsfield AI, and it's honestly one of the best all-in-one creative AI tools right now. I've added the link in the description below, so go check it out. When you visit the website, you'll notice that Higsfield offers multiple AI tools, from image generation and video creation to face swap, upscaling, and even AI motion effects. Here's the best part. It's completely free to start. They give you 25 daily credits for free, which means you can generate several images or videos every single day without paying anything. But if you want to make even more content, you can subscribe to their paid plan. It gives you up to 200 credits per month, depending on the plan you choose. The cool thing is, Higsfield updates its tools every week, and people from all over the world are using it to make viral TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Step 3. Generate cute animal images. Now let's create our cute animal characters. Log into Higsfield AI using your Google account. On the top bar, click on Images. This will open the image generation section. From the available options, select Nano Banana. This is the tool we'll use to generate our images. Next, copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Choose your aspect ratio. If you're making TikTok or Shorts videos, use 9:16. If you're making YouTube videos, use 16:9. Now hit Generate. In just a few seconds, your first image will appear, and it'll look absolutely stunning. You'll see a cute animal with big eyes, soft colors, and a 3D cartoon-like feel, exactly like the Nebelschaf style. Repeat this same process for each of your 20 prompts until you have a full collection of adorable characters. These images will be used in the video generation step next. Step 4. Generate AI videos. Google Veo 3 and Sora 2. Now time to generate the video. In this process, we use two tools, Google Veo 3 and Sora 2. So let's compare them together, and please tell me in the comments which one is best. Go back to the Higsfield homepage, click on Video section, and select Google Veo 3. First, we generate the video by uploading an image. Now upload the image, paste the motion prompt, select model Google Veo 3.1, choose quality 1080p, and click Generate. In 2 to 3 minutes, your video is ready. Our first video is amazing. Now this time we'll give the prompt directly to Google VO3. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first motion prompt, paste it in the prompt box, and click Generate. Wait for a while. In 2 minutes, your video will be ready. Look at the video. It's really amazing and nice. Now let's generate 2 more videos using the Sora 2 model. Go to ChatGPT, paste the next prompt, and click Generate. Wait a few minutes. Boom! Our video is ready. Look at the cat. It's amazing. Now generate 1 more video using the Sora 2 model. Copy the next prompt, paste it into the prompt box, select the model Sora 2, select the quality and ratio, 16.9, and click Generate. Same process for all videos. Wait for 3 to 4 minutes and then boom! Your videos are ready! Check the quality, it's really good. These 2 tools are amazing, but Google VO3 gives better visuals than Sora 2. So, save all your videos. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Now comes the fun part. Editing your video. Open CapCut. You can use the desktop or mobile version. Import all the videos you created with VO3 and Sora 2. Drag them onto the timeline. Now, adjust the colors, add some transitions, and slightly enhance the brightness and contrast to make your video pop. The good news is that VO3 and Sora 2 already include soft background sounds, so you don't need to add extra music unless you want to. Once your edits look good, export the video in HD quality 1080p. And that's it. Your first cute AI animal video is ready. Step 6. Final review and upload now. It's time to watch your creation. Look at those cute animals. Big eyes, tiny paws, soft colors. It's absolutely adorable. This video looks professional, creative, and entertaining. All made 100% with free AI tools. You didn't need any paid software, just creativity and the right workflow. So go ahead, upload your video on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. These kinds of videos go viral really fast. People love watching cute animals. It makes them smile. And that's exactly what makes this content so shareable. So that's it for today's video. We learned how to analyze top-performing TikTok channels, generate cute character images using ChatGPT and Higgsfield, create full AI videos using VO3 and Sora 2, and edit and export them in CapCut. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me which AI model you liked more, VO3 or Sora 2. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Let's go!